Textile technology is advancing rapidly, driving innovation, sustainability and transformation across industries.
Every 4 years, the global textile and garment industry comes together, not just to showcase what's new, but to shape what is the next. As we evolve from Industry 4.0 to 5.0, we are not just automating, we are humanizing technology. Together, we'll accelerate the shift toward a circular economy, one built on collaboration, innovation, and regeneration.
Join us in Hanover at ITMA 2027 and be part of co-creating the future of textiles.
Join the thinkers, the makers, the changers.